Good morning, boys and girls. Today you will be taking your Wordly Wise test, lesson number 6. Please put your name and number on your paper. Please listen to the word as I say it. Pause the video and then spell the word on your paper. Press play for the next word. Please listen carefully and do your best. If you do not have a paper that is labeled 1 to 20, please come get that now. Number 1, cone. A cone is an object that has a round, flat base and comes to a point at the other end. Cone. Number 2, cube. A cube is a solid figure with 6 square sides. Cube. Number 3, Earth. Earth is the third planet away from the sun and the one that we live on. Earth. Number 4, fern. A green plant with feathery leaves. It does not produce flowers. Fern. Number 5, fuel. Fuel is something that is burned to give power or heat, such as wood, coal, or oil. We often think of fuel as the gas we use in our cars. Fuel. Number 6, grain. Grain are the seeds of cereal, such as plants that have wheat or oats. Grain can also be a very tiny, hard piece of something, like a grain of sand. Grain. Number 7, lizard. A lizard is a cold-blooded animal with a long, narrow body. It has 4 legs and a very long tail. Lizard. Number 8, miner. A miner is someone who works to dig coal or other useful minerals out of the ground. Miner. Number 9, present. A present is something that is given between 2 people to show another person love, friendship, or thanks. Present. And finally, number 10, seam. A seam is the line made when 2 pieces of cloth are sewn together. For instance, we've talked about the seam of your jeans. Seam. All right, boys and girls, the next 10 words, I will give you the definition and you will write down the word. Please make sure to spell the word correctly. Number 11. This word means being at a certain place or a certain time. It is the opposite of being absent. This word means being at a certain place at a certain time. It is the opposite of being absent. Number 12. This word means something that is burned to give power or heat. Number 12. This word means something that is burned to give power or heat. Number 13. This is a green plant with feathery leaves. It does not produce flowers. 13. This is a green plant with feathery leaves. It does not produce flowers. 14. This word can mean soil or dirt. It is also the third planet from the sun. I think we're on 15. I've lost count. 15. This is a solid figure with 6 square sides. 16. This is an object that has a round, flat base and comes to a point at the other end. We often put ice cream in something like this. 17. This is a very tiny, hard piece of something. 17. This is a very very tiny, hard piece of something. 18. This is a cold-blooded animal with a long, narrow body. It has 4 legs and a long tail. 19. This is someone who works to dig coal or other useful minerals out of the ground. 19. Someone who works to dig coal or other useful minerals out of the ground. 20. This is a line made when 2 pieces of cloth are sewn together. This is a line when 2 pieces of cloth are sewn together. Okay, boys and girls, when you turn your paper over, I would like you to choose 4 words. Okay, repeat after me. I would like you to choose 4 words. Okay, and you are going to create 4 different sentences, one for each word. For instance, if you chose the word miner, you might say something like, the miner went down into the pit and used his axe to dig for coal. So I want you to create a sentence utilizing 4 of your words. Please turn your paper in when you're finished. Again, make sure your name and your number on your paper.